This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the Premier Trade Forex Report with Scott Norse.
Good afternoon, traders. I'm Scott Norse here with your Forex Report. Today is Monday, April 7th, 2008. After seeing somewhat of an eventful start to the week last night, we found ourselves in a lackluster U.S. session today. Most major pairs were confined to rather small ranges after yielding a mixture of dollar strength and weakness overnight. Traders may still be digesting the very disappointing jobs data reported last Thursday and Friday from the U.S. and wondering whether another leg lower in the buck is warranted at this time. There really is no question about the weakness in the U.S. economy. The real question is if that's already reflected in the dollar's current value or if more discounting is necessary. As we noted at the end of last week, this week's economic calendar is rather light. We have only a couple of important U.S. numbers, as well as ECB and BOE rate decisions Thursday morning. In the meantime, we will rely heavily on technical analysis and movement in stocks and commodities to guide us in our trading. The Australian and New Zealand dollars were among today's best performing currencies, while the Canadian dollar failed to participate in the strength. The Aussie and Kiwi were favored as gold and oil surged, and U.S. stocks also gained. The CAD may have failed to rally given Canada's dependence on the U.S. economy and its lower interest rates. The European currencies struggled early on but managed to fight back a little today. Of course, as the session winds down, the pound sterling and franc are still near their lowest levels of the day. The euro appears to have had an easier time gaining traction with expectations that the ECB will leave rates at 4% this week. The yen was also on the weak side today as stock markets advance and fading volatility levels spur interest in carry trades. Anytime we see large gains in high-yielding currencies, it's safe to expect the Japanese currency will struggle. The week is still wide open for anything to happen, but we are keeping a close eye on oil and gold. We anticipate a difficult road for the greenback if oil rallies to a new high. Otherwise, we give the buck decent odds to gain a little bit. Till tomorrow, have a wonderful night trading. Take care.